Alright folks, DIY with Baz. This is a childhood chair of mine which I used to love. The kids have had it. Unfortunately a mishap. We've lost a leg. As you can probably see, it's previously been glued. If I can spin it up. Yeah, previously been araldited. But it's come off again at the same spot. So what I was thinking, ideally I'd like to get a screw down there to reinforce it, because I haven't got a lot of faith. It's obviously on a weak spot. It's going to go again. So I've come up with this idea. Please follow on. So phase one, after securing the leg in a workmate thing, I'm going to saw off the damaged part, right? And I'm not going to, before you're thinking I'm going to have a leg, one leg shorter than the others, please follow on. So I'm going to put the video down now. You could use a jigsaw, but I'm going to finish off now. As I was going to say, I'm going to put the video down and finish that off using my hands to hold my leg in place. So obviously, despite my poor choice of equipment, I should have just spent the time and gone and got a jigsaw. I have done a half decent job of sawing through there, relatively square. What I'm going to do, despite losing perhaps another millimetre, is I am just going to sand that off flat. So I've got two flat edges. So yeah, as I was saying, what I've lost there, in terms of a millimetre or so of sawing and sanding, I'll make up for with the glue in the next phase anyway. At least they're gonna fit together perfectly. So next, I'm gonna wood glue my little piece, my little short leg, back on the sleeve. So next we are going to countersink in there. I'm going to put the camera down now to make sure I go in square. Thus. Then we drive a nice big screw down there. So we just go down about halfway. Obviously making sure we've gone past the join there to give it a bit more strength. So next I'm going to cut that off with an angle grinder, and then having a little pilot hole in there, screw the leg on. Perfect. What I could probably do is maybe put a bit of glue on there as well. But leg fixed, chair fixed. Very happy with that result. Superb. So yeah, I took that back off and put some wood glue on before I fully tightened. Pretty happy with that.